Hi friends, today our topic is light. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see things around us. Without light we can't see any object because of darkness. The property of objects that to do or do not allow light to pass through them. They are classified into three categories. If we can't see through an object at it all is known as of opaque object. If you are able to see clearly to an object it is glowing light to pass through it is transparent object. What exactly is shadow? Do you observe your shadow in a dark room or at night when there is no light? No, we need a source of light and opaque object to see a shadow. Thus the shadow gives an accurate picture of the shape of the object. The shadow looks different in color. The size of shadow changes. One needs the size of the shadow. Mirror. In our daily life, we look into the mirror and see our face inside a mirror. We also see reflection of other objects that are in front of mirror. Sometimes we see reflection different objects while traveling in a vehicle, reflection of trees, buildings and other objects in the mirror. Mirror reflection gives us clear image. Images are very different from shadows. Mirror characteristics. Image formed by plane mirrors are virtual image, upright image, erect, left, right, reversed image. Distance from the mirror same as the object distance. Image size has the object size. Virtual image. Virtual image is always erect or upright. Virtual images are always located behind the mirrors. Reflection. Straight line path of light is called as ray of light. Bunch of rays of light is called as beam of light. The beam of light goes in parallel is known as parallel beam of light. Beam of light converging at a point is known as converging beam of light. Beam of light diverging from a point is known as diverging beam of light. Pinhole camera. Pinhole camera can be made with simple materials and can be used to image the sun and brightly lit objects. Activity. Take two boxes so that one can slide into another with no gap in between them. Cut open one side of each box. On the opposite face of larger box, make a small hole in middle. In the small box, cut out from the middle of square with sides out about 5 to 6 centimeters.